Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking here from Dutchy HQ. Today we're going to be making this beautiful jambalaya. We're going to be cooking it in a cast iron wok over charcoal. So these are the ingredients we're using today, but don't worry, we'll call them out as we're adding them, and we'll also put them down in the description below. So we've got a good amount of coals ready in the joy stove. We're just going to add this cast iron wok and let it start to warm up. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Just going to coat the bottom of the wok with the oil. This is going to be quite a quick cook. So the first ingredient is mixed sausage. This sausage is a chili and cheese sausage. You can see the flecks of chili and cheese in this. And the second sausage is a fresh chorizo sausage. I'm just going to get all them in the pan. I'm just going to get them browned off with a bit of colour on them. To this now we're going to add 1 chopped onion, and we're just going to get some colour on the onion. We're going to also add half a chopped red pepper and half a chopped yellow pepper. 2 chopped celery stalks. And combine these in and just get them soft. Once you've got the soft off, I'm just going to make a little well in the middle here. I'm going to add 2 chopped garlic cloves. I like to do this so I can keep an eye on the garlic so it doesn't burn, because this pan is running really hot. So the garlic's cooked. I'm just going to combine everything. I'm going to add 1 glass of white wine. I'm just going to boil the alcohol off. And then we're going to add 1 cup of long grain rice. I'm just going to stir this around so it's all coated with the white wine. So next I'm going to add 1 can of chopped tomatoes. You can see these colours really building now, they're really vibrant. The next thing, we're going to introduce some liquid into this. So I've got 350ml of chicken stock. I'm going to add about half of it to begin with. I don't want to drop the temperature in the pan too much. I'll have the other half later once this liquid's been absorbed by the rice. We're going to get some spice in next. So 1 tablespoon of Cajun Spice mix. And to season, 1 teaspoon of salt. Next meat element to this dish is 750 grams of cooked meat. Now I've got some pulled pork and some brisket in here. These are all kind of leftovers, which is a traditional dish. Also, we're going to be doing something new on the channel. We're going to give a shout out to a fellow YouTuber on each video. If you'd like to get involved, all you got to do is subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. I'll pick a YouTuber, I'll give them a shout out, and also I'll put a link into their channel in the end screen. So I've picked the first YouTuber I'm going to give a shout out to, and that's Dee at Native Tears. That's for setting up the Cast Iron Wednesdays. Go and check out her channel. So we use the remaining chicken stock, and it still needs a little bit more cooking, so we're just going to add some water to finish this off. We're looking for this rice to be al dente. That means with just a little bit of a bite. So as you can see, we've reduced the liquid and the rice is cooked. So we've got it plated up now. You can see the fantastic colours of this jambalaya, and the smell is absolutely incredible. I think it's time we give it a bit of a taste test. So there you have it. That is my lockdown jambalaya. Yeah. It's really nice. A few years since I made a jambalaya, but I had the bits in the freezer, so another good cook. And if you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell.